Like you could, G.
You're like grandma.
Come here, darling. I feel super horny. Come on.
Underneath there too.
Fuck.
That porno's down there.
Hi.
I would never abandon anybody.
We were in this video where you...
Ah, damn. It's gonna kidnap you. Help.
Was gibt's ihr Analpopel?
I was gonna say, I would laugh if somebody actually was here.
No,
Hey,
no.
Tom's already got
you know
come all
what?
over him.
Bye.
Look at all the way.
Wait.
Good time.
Oh, Jesus Christ, it looks like a floppy penis.
Meine Titten wackeln nicht genug. Warte.
Is that Apollo 11?
Viagra.
Guck mal, ich bin gut zu Vögeln. No.
It has a lock symbol on it.
Mine is deactivated, right? Because mine is
Looks like a black bag. Good.
How I look now?
N-word.
Oh, ich habe ein Osterei gefunden. Nein, es ist ein Ball. Naja, Bälle oder Eier ist ja sowieso alles das Gleiche.
Holy fuck, that's terrifying!
Yeah, just get... Damn, I think it's closing too slow.
But then again, Liverpool isn't any better, and you live here too.
Yeah, true.
Oh.
What are you looking for
Go full
behind?
feminine,
It's
baby.
creepy.
Have some fun with it. Oh, you're being
Oh, howdy, Daddy.
Guess was?
Mhm.
Ich mache jetzt das Fenster auf und lach mal laut raus.
Wieder schön.
Ja, schön auf.
Want some fucking soup?
Well, you're British, eh? You want your fucking soup? You better go. You're gonna
Some
eat
good
your
soup.
fucking soup there, Bob.
It's good soup.
Shut up, refrigerator.
Soup. What a trick.
Come on down to Dave's Electronics.
You want a new refrigerator?
Literally don't. It only happened fucking twice.
I'm asking
Be
him.
an asshole about it. I was fucking.
Okay, do not look up again.
Extreme Noses pounces on you. Ooh, you're so
No.
Join us.
Join us.
No, Tom.
It's like
Tom, trust me. I love refrigerators.
Should we feed the chipmunk some soup? Look, chipmunk. Go to bed.
Okay, I'm gonna try and do it quietly this time.
You should have sucking mouth. You'll be fine.
Ah.
What the fuck is this, bro?
Wow. It's fucking.
Looks so weird.
Oh my God.
Ah, daddy, my pussy.
I walked in with a gun and I'm just like, what the fuck? Can you get me some sugar?
Yeah, sure.
Sugar.
Okay.
Okay.
I remember my dad came into my room. I got
Boden.
Ah, graphics card. Thanks.
Yeah.
And new disc for more games. Because I'm gay.
Oh shit, this is deep. That's what she said.
Employee, who, he was a pretty big guy, but we told him to like do like one of like these poses, you know, like Armstrong poses, while like try to like stretch his legs, and he tried doing that. And he went like this, and then he fell over backwards, landed against like like a grate. So we have a breading.
Hands up!